Baby means शिशु. Bad. Bad means खराब. Balance. Balance means संतुलन. Bake. Bake means सेंकना. Ban. Ban means प्रतिबंध. Base. Base means आधार. Basic. Basic means बुनियादी. Bat. Bat means बल्ला. Beautiful. Beautiful means सुंदर. Become. Become means बनना. Bedroom. Bedroom means सोने का कमरा. Before. Before means पहले. Begin. Begin means शुरू. Beginning. Beginning means शुरुआत. Behavior. Behavior means व्यवहार. Behind. Behind means पीछे. Believe. Believe means मानना. Below. Below means नीचे. Benefit. Benefit means फ़ायदा. Beside. Beside means पास में. Billion. Billion means 1 अरब. Bird. Bird means चिड़िया. Blame. Blame means दोष. Blanket. Blanket means कंबल. Blood. Blood means खून. Boat. Boat means नाव. Bone. Bone means हड्डी. Book. Book means पुस्तक. Both. Both means दोनों. Bought. Bought means खरीदा. Boundary. Boundary means सीमा. Brain. Brain means दिमाग. Bread. Bread means रोटी. Breakfast. Breakfast means नाश्ता. Breathe. Breathe means सांस लेना. Bridge. Bridge means पुल. Bright. Bright means चमकदार. Brilliant. Brilliant means प्रतिभाशाली. Bring. Bring means लाना. Broke. Broke means टूट गया. Building. Building means इमारत. Bunch. Bunch means गुच्छा. Business. Business means व्यवसाय. Busy. Busy means व्यस्त. But. But means लेकिन. By. By means द्वारा. Burn. Burn means जलना. Buy. Buy means खरीदना. Brother. Brother means भाई. Brief. Brief means संक्षिप्त. Brick. Brick means ईंट. Box. Box means डिब्बा.